Hey guys, it's Katie here, back with my favourite shoes of Hollywood. Today I have the hardest shoes I've probably ever done with Shoes of Hollywood, so you please have to watch this video because it's going to amaze me as much as it'll amaze you guys. We are doing 10-inch Beyonds 102s. Look how big it is. Seriously, this box is massive. I say it all the time, but I'm so serious. Almost as tall as me if we put it this way. Now, these are the most beautiful shoes I've ever seen. And I say it about a lot, but these ones, seriously, you guys will have to agree with me. Got our little drawstring bag that Pleaser provide. These are beautiful red 102 Beyonds. You can see this warning label. So important. I'm going to read it to you in a second. Look at them. We've got these straps. I'll show you how they go in a moment. Look how big that heel is. My goodness. Now, this one here, I'm just going to show you. Just going to break it off for a second. Ooh, there we go. That's one way to take it off. Here we go. Warning. Now, just before we start, these are strictly made for modeling, photo shoots. If you want something different, these are beautiful and you can't ever go wrong with them. It does say, due to extreme heel height, the 9-inch Infinity, which is a couple I've done in the past, and the 10-inch Beyond are strictly meant for show purposes. These heels are intended to be used in a sitting down or lying position. That's why I say modeling and photo shoots, because that's exactly what you'll be doing. They are not for walking, not in big capital letters, okay? But as you all know, with my other 10-inch reviews, we do not need this one today. I'll pop it over here. We can pretend that doesn't exist for me. Now, they've got always good wrapping. That's one. Look at the beautiful 3 straps just here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's all that'll be supporting me today. My other one, so pretty. Now, these ones go on a little bit differently. We've got this little support here with this nice soft base just there. And they actually wrap around like this, and this one goes behind. Might be a bit confusing, but they are worth it in the end. Where's my little buckle? Here we go. Just move this shoe out the way. Now I'm going to do these ones up as tight as they go. Beautiful. Pop this one on as well. One goes around like this, around like that. Do it on the tightest one possible. Now, these shoes have never been done before. Not even Lady Gaga's done them. So I'm super excited to give it a go. If I could let you know on a scale of 1 to 10 how difficult these shoes are, it would be 10 as a difficulty, the same size as the heel. The only support that I have in them is around my ankle and around my foot. See those 3 little ones? Have a look here, those 3. That's all I got. See how that's quite loose? No support at the back. So definitely start lower and work your way up. So I'm going to do a little walk for you. I'm going to concentrate just in case. No one's done them. Move out the way, Lady Gaga. Katie Gaga is here. I love them. Seriously, matches my outfit. I'm so impressed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us some comments and click on the little bell to subscribe to our channel and be notified when we post all these new videos, because I love showing you guys, and the other models love showing you guys as well, all these beautiful shoes. How pretty are these in the sun? They reflect on the ground. It's a bit hot today. Oh, I didn't take a very strategic way, did I? How pretty are they? Do you guys like that? Look at that nice crisscross just here. How pretty is that? Aircon, how good is it? Anyone living in Australia will definitely know how hot it can be for 10 minutes inside. Outside, I mean. Inside's beautiful. Here's a little side view. Check them out. How pretty are they? How cute. Might have to add these to my collection. Better learn to pick up my feet. Hey, sometimes I'm not very good at that. Even the best of the best do it once or twice. So, you know, can never get it perfect. Look at that. How pretty is that gloss? Sometimes they're a little bit harder to undo because of their new strap. This one. Yeah, I think I will have to add them to my collection. Don't forget, leave us as many comments as you like. I love doing the 10 reviews with you guys. Let me know what you think, and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you guys.